And in this training video, we're going to go over how to take an account or a customer payment. So first we'll show you how to do that through the POS side. So this would be for your general staff, people who don't have access to finance. First thing you do is you search for a customer. Then if you click on the customer name, you get all the customer details, and on the left we've got account. So this is going to show us a list of all the payments and the invoices. And then up in the top, you've got some options here. Top right, payment options. So we can either take cash or a credit card. So we'll put in that we're going to make a cash payment. And it's going to ask us if we want to just take payment or if we'd like to apply it to an invoice. And I'll show you how you can actually apply that later on as well. So if we actually select the invoice itself, hit the checkbox, we can make a payment towards that invoice. So I'm just going to do that now. 130, and you'll see the payment, and then you can see that that's gone through. So what we'll do now is we're actually just going to add a payment without applying it to the invoice. So we're going to ignore that box. And we're going to add the payment. So that's gone through. Now the next thing we're going to do is show how you would do it if you're working in finance. So if you've got access to the receivable side, we can go into the aging report. This top left corner is how you just do a general Google style of search. The next box over is how you would find and select the customer. So again, it's just a different type of search function. And then over here we have the currencies. So you've got the different currencies that you would work with. Now, under all, you will be able to see where there are US payments, but you can see the checkboxes aren't there. You actually need to select the currency itself in order to be able to access those checkboxes. So we're going to find our client. So now we're actually going to apply this payment to this invoice 95. I've selected both of them, and I hit process payment to balance this with the 400. These aren't relevant in this case, but I'm just going to select here. And we're going to go process payment. And as you can see, those have been removed. Now let's say we wanted to pay off an entire invoice. So invoice 97, if I select it and I go to process payment, it's going to actually autofill the total value of the invoice, so the 1130. And I could change that if I wanted to, but in this case they're paying it off. So I'm just going to go ahead and process that payment as well. 97 has disappeared. And it shows that it's been closed. So if I go over to the sales invoice section, you can see under open, 97 is no longer there. And if I go to closed, there's 97. I can link to it and just see what's on there. And it's showing as closed. And that's it.